Let's go in, right? Yes. Are you guys ready? Would you guys come in? Yes! Alright. I want to see the excitement in here. Yes. When I say you say two, okay? You! Two! You! Two! Alright, okay. I guess let's start the tour. Please follow us inside here now. Welcome guys! 5:30 p.m. April 28, 2017. Nandito tayo ngayon sa BGC Arts Center. I-indulge natin ngayon ang opening party ng YouTube Space Manila. First time nilang dalhin dito sa Philippines para sa mga Pinoy creators. And i-enjoy lang natin, i-dance lang natin. Samahan niyo ako. Hi! Oh my God, ang laki pala sa loob. Ipay lahat. Go.
Wherever I go, oh, as far as I roam, I know home is the blue in your eyes. Miles won't come between us. I see your face in June. I left my heart back in San Francisco. I'm coming back for it.
Oh my God, parang ang dilim-dilim dito. So, itinuturahan nila ng itim para may mga landmark na nilagay nila. Tapos Space Manila, tapos meron dito. Ito naman yung parang sa Manila yata ito.
Hi, so those who are here for the artist workshop, we're releasing the set at around 6 p.m. so you can all shoot video and photos inside the set. So if you could wait another 30 minutes, you can go inside to shoot photos, videos, whatever you want to. The shoot should be wrapping up soon. So please just wait another 30 minutes or so and then you can all shoot vlogs and photos inside.
Wala ko dito. There you go guys, nandito ngayon sa harap ng BGC Arts Center. My God, parang gusto ko itong iuwi sa bahay. Tapos i-display natin sa sala. Parang daig pag nagkaroon ka ng ganito, parang daig talo mo pa magkaroon ng silver play button pag naiuwi mo to sa bahay, o diba? Pwede ka lang tumira dito sa loob eh. O diba? So pasok tayo dito sa loob. Tapos may mga ganto-ganto pa sila oh. Pag iuwi ko to sa bahay, pwedeng gawing aparador, di ba? Namimigay kaya sila ng ganto.
Opportunity as Get Set for networking. As for equipment, we do provide some of the most high-end equipment from Sony as well as some of the other brands. They're from 4K to the high-end to the casual ones. So later on, you can, from around 6 p.m., you can go into the set. You can see some of the equipment. You can also take photos and vlogs on the set. So maybe in 30 minutes or so, you can more so experience on the production side. From 6 p.m., as Kit said, it's going to be the exclusive opening event, which will be, I think, a great opportunity for all of you to share. And as today, going back to the workshop session, we have a couple of other workshops happening for the next 3 days. So we're open here till May 1st. And these are all open to all of you as well. There are some requirements for some of the workshops happening. If there's anyone interested to join another program, please just contact me.
So since wala ng tao, tsaka pa lang ako papasok para mag-vlog dito sa loob kasi medyo disturbing kasi. Sana bukas na pa. So ayun, sana hindi ma-detect yung ating boses kasi may nag-shooting sa loob. So quick review lang, titingnan lang natin, sneak preview lang kung anong meron dito sa loob. Sana nadinig nyo ako. So meron silang mga ganto-ganto Meron silang, if you are like a music lover, you can go ahead and shoot a music video siguro. Pwede dito. Because they really provide the very high-end equipments. Tapos may mga ganto-ganto pa. Parang gusto ko itong iuwi sa bahay, di ba? Tapos si Saint Yoko, yan yung nag-ano ngayon. Yan yung shoot ngayon sila Saint Yoko. Pag ito very symbolic siya pagdating sa Philippines. Kasi jeep, ito saraw. Ito saraw yata yung kabayo. Diba? Taray. Kung ikaw, ganito mo yung biyahe sa Taft, sasakay ka ba? Malamang 7 pamasahin nito. Ayan. Ewan ko lang kung totoo to, kung umaandar ba siya. Parang gusto ko itong iuwi para mamasa. Para mag-drive na lang ako. So, dito tayo ngayon sa loob. Wala na masyadong nagsushooting, kaya pwede na tayo mag-ingay dito. Maingay kasi sa labas, wala. So, yun lang. Tapos may logo dito. Yan. Diba? Actually, yung pinapakita ko, ito yung mga iuwi ko. Charot. Yung mga paupuan dito.
Journey to deepest valleys, watch flowing rivers pass.
Diba? Yun, dapat magpahuli tayo kasi wala masyadong tao kapag nasa huli ka. Diba? Makapag-vlog ka ng walang ka-disturbo. So ngayon, lalabas naman tayo dito sa lobby kasi pagpatuloy natin ang ating pagkain. Kasi talagang hindi ko pwedeng walang kain. Ay, magsa-sign up tayo ng petition ni Mayor. Tatanungin natin kung para saan yan. Para saan yan, Para saan? Makakuha ka ng house and lot.
Participate here, you post sa community nila using
Okay. Tapos
yun, you will get freebies.
pwede t-shirt, ganyan.
And all that. Ayan o, magagawin ka. Post mo siya.
So, pag-post ka muna bago ka mag-sign up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ano, yung white. White? Yeah, the white.
Taray, di ba? Pwede pa itong ibenta. So, pag-post lang tayo, makakuhan tayo ng ganito.
Yeah. Thank you.
So, pwedeng t-shirt, ganyan.
Yes. Pwede pa.
Okay.
While supplies last.
So, bakit ganyan yung sa'yo? Mas mahilig ka magkabay.
May shirt na ako. You can.
Okay. So, magpo-post muna ako, tapos... Okay, skilled soon sa link na, Ano ba yun?
Din sa community na... Yung kay Suzanne.
Ito yung kasi
Pinost po nila si Zane.
Diba
Pwede po kayo mag-reply doon and then upload nyo lang yung photo nyo and then use
doon sa reply, anong hashtag gagamitin? YouTube Space MNL.
YouTube Space Manila, hashtag Pinoy Creator.
Oh, sige, go. Hi, we're heading towards the makeup area ng YouTube Space Manila. Okay. Dito tayo. Titingnan natin kung gaano kasi the shoot is gonna be on Sunday. So, to check natin kung gaano kalaki yung area kasi nga para ma-execute natin yung para ma-execute natin yung okay, that's huge enough. That's huge enough.
Kaso baka mamaya, like, with the mirrors, makita yung
Yung mga camera. Ang guluhan na lang natin kasi hindi paano
Or
kaya?
if you want, it would be coming from here, but ito yung camera.
Yan yung camera, ito yung angulo. Pwede rin, parang studio.
Yes, or it could come from here, but then again, makikita pa rin. Yeah. Perfect.
Hindi ko siya pwedeng kunan yung camera, maging visually unpleasant siya.
Yeah.
So, I think, pwede ka nang makahingi na kahit logo pa lang ng YouTube or something similar. Kasi nga, parang to highlight the events. Kasi it's not just the video parang
Sige.
to highlight the events din.
We'll ask for a YouTube branding here tomorrow. We'll see what we can do.
Kasi dito lang ang angulo na lang.
Yeah, sige. Para kung makakapagpaakyat kami. No
Pwede
problem.
naman dito, sikip Isang angulo dito, isang angulo dito. Or isang center, or isang up. Dahil lang yan.
Sige na, no problem.
Sige. Akala ko naman sobrang late kasi yung...
No, it's
Tingnan
not
ko.
actually. Ang problem lang namin kasi baka mamaya with the mirrors,
Yung-
baka hindi okay.
Pero pag may mirror naman, mas natural.
Yes, kasi since dance siya.
Oo.
Pero yun nga, baka makita lang si cameraman mo and your crew. Well, kami kasi we have a crew, but we could ask them to step out and really iwan lang natin.
Pero mas madrama siya.
Yes.
Kasi may camera,
And actually, the lights are changing here. So you have 3 different...
Kasi parang ang gagawin ko kasi is 2 parts. Parang 1 to 5, tapos 6 to 10.
Sige.
Para dalawang video yung upload ko para detail yung instructional video.
Tama.
Oo, yun. So, deal na tayo. Ito yung lugar na pag-shootan natin sa panuto ni Lauren para maaga kami dito. Wala naman yatang makeup tutorial masyadong
Yeah. At saka, this will be exclusive for you on your time slot.
Okay.
Walang ibang kasabay.
Okay, thank you so much, madam. Indulge natin yung space na yan. And the branding, yun lang ang branding
Sige.
natin para kasi to
We'll
promote
have
natin.
something placed there tomorrow.
Sure. Yeah, I have here Mr.
Enrique
Enrique
Cuene.
Cuene.
What's up, man? How are you?
You are the general manager. I heard what you mentioned that you're the...
I'm the YouTube partner manager.
YouTube partner manager.
Yeah. I work with YouTube creators. So,
Okay.
yeah, I just help them with their channels, help them grow, help them make the most out of our
So
platform.
basically, you're the proponent of this event.
No, it's a team effort.
Okay.
It's not me. It's Moe, the woman with the glasses.
Okay.
But it's a team effort. So it's always a team effort, for sure.
It's a huge event for YouTube. For the YouTuber,
For the Filipino YouTube creators.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Have a good night, man.
Sure.
See ya.
Thanks. There you go guys, napanood niyo po yung video na ginawa natin buong araw and from 5:30 to 9 p.m. So if you like this video, give a massive thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and also watch more related videos kung nandiyan sa gilid. I-link ko yan and watch. And also subscribe. Click mo lang yung bilog sa gilid and yung vlog na inaptansyon.com. Yung square naman sa baba. So this is Team Tor Vlogger. Joel Norbuda. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.